Get a new look and cleaner aesthetics with a DK Custom Coil Relocation Kit. Click the link in the upper right to see this video in email format. The DK Custom Coil Relocation Kit features American cold rolled steel, durable black powder coat finish. It's an easy bolt-on install with multiple add-on options. Instructions are included, purpose-made and patented, with Screaming Eagle or Pro Race wires and an unparalleled lifetime warranty. These are available for Dyna, Softail, Touring, and Sportster models. Take a look at these other popular relocation mods. Check out all the links in the description below and make your Harley your own. Thanks for watching. Y'all ride safe.